Hello friends, welcome back. In the last lesson, in the last lecture, we have taken certain examples of the text. Now we go for the next example. You are asked to find out sum of first n positive integers. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket first term plus last term. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2. First n positive integers. So first positive is 1 only, and as we are finding Sn, last is n. So this itself is the answer. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 1 plus n, or n plus 1 you can write. Okay. We take the next question. If you are given the AP in the general form like this, An is equal to 3 plus 2n. It is the formula given, and you want to find out S24. Okay, but you are not given the AP itself, so you have to find out the first term, second term, third term, and that way you have to find out the difference. Okay, what to do? First of all, put n is equal to 1. So it is A1 means A is equal to 3 plus 2 into bracket value of n is 1. So 3 plus 2 ones are 2, answer is 5. So your first term of the AP is 5. Now in the same way, for n you are taking 2, that is A2. So it is 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. If I take third one, A3, here I put 3. So 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 and 3, 9. So this is how AP is formed. And you find out S24. So first of all, formula we put Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is number of n? 24. So S24 is equal to 24 upon 2. 2 times A, 5 2s are 10 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into difference 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. So 24 upon 2 is 12, 10 plus 23 2s are 46. So 12, 46 plus 10, 56. So simply take the product of 56 and 12. So 6 2s are 12, 1 carry forward, 5 2s are 10 and 1, 11. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5. So 2, 6 and 1 7, 5 and 1 6. So answer is 672. So this is how you can get your answer S24. But first of all, using this general form of the AP, you have to find the first few terms of the AP. That way you can find out A and common difference D. We go for the next. There is a manufacturer company of television. So it is said that in the third year, it produces 600 TV sets. In the 7th year, it produces 700 TV sets. And the production is uniform for every year. So you have to find out the total production of, you have to find out first of all the production at the end of 1 year, that is A, production at the end of 10 years, and total production of first 7 years. These three answers you have to find out. I repeat the question. A TV manufacturing company, it produces 600 or it manufactures 600 TV sets in the third year, 700 TV sets in the 7th year. Every year it produces the uniform number of televisions. So you have to find out A1, that is number of products in the first year, number of TV sets produced in the 10th year, and total production of TV sets in first 7 years. Okay. So we first of all so it is A3, third year means A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A3 is what? 600 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1, 2 into D. It is your first equation. In the same way we go for 7th year. So 700 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1, 6 into D. I take the difference of both these AP, 600 minus 700 minus 100, it is gone. 2D minus 6D, it is minus 4D, minus minus sign gone. So D is equal to 100 upon 4, it is 25. So D is 25. In any of the equation, you plot the value of D25 and find the value of A. So I take the first equation, 600 is equal to A plus 2, value of D is 25. So 600 is equal to A plus 50. So A is equal to 600 minus 50 is equal to 550. So this is our first answer, A1 is equal to 550. Now go for A10, the number of produced television in the 10th year. So A10 is equal to, A is what? 550 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9 into difference. Okay. So just now I think we found a difference. So it is 500 plus 9, we found a difference 25 if you remember. So 500 plus 25 9s are 225. So it is 725. So this is your answer, A10. And now we want to go for S7. Twenty-five nines are, what was the D actually? We find out D once more. Initially, what was the D? I forgot. So it is 600 is equal to A plus 2D. 700 is equal to A plus 6D. I took the difference. 100 is equal to minus 100 is equal to minus 4D, and difference is equal to 25. Okay. So this D was 25. And first term is 550, not 500. First term is 550. So 550 plus 225 is equal to 575. It is A10. And now we want to go for S7, that is total production in the first 7 years. So S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into bracket 2A. So I write the numbers here, 2 into 550, 2A plus n minus 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, and difference is 25, just now we found out. So it is 7 by 2, 552 is 1100 plus 25 6 is 150. So it is 7 by 2 into bracket 1100 plus 150, so 1250. So divide by 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 5 2s are 10. So 625 7s will be your answer. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry forward, 7 2s are 14 and 3, 17, 1 carry forward, 7 6 are 42 and 1 43. So the total production of the 7 up till the 7 year is 4,375 TV sets. Okay. So after doing these many examples, now we are moving to the questions of exercise number 5.3. You are given one AP. It is 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 10 and so on. And you have to find out S11, sum of the first 11 terms. Okay. So, first term is there, A is 1 upon 15, we know. But how to find out difference? Second minus first. So, it is 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15 is equal to LCM 15 and 12. So, it is 60. 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So, it is 1 upon 60 is your difference. Okay. After finding A and D, you can easily plot the formula for Sn. So, it is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You are finding S11 is equal to 11 upon 2, 2a, 1 upon 15 into 2. So, it is 2 upon 15 plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10, and difference is 1 upon 60. So, S11 is equal to 11 upon 2 into bracket 2 upon 15 plus 0 0 cancel 1 upon 6. So, 11 upon 2 into bracket again 30 is the LCM, 15 2s are 30, so 2 2s are 4, 6 5s are 30, so 5 1s are 5. So, it is 11 upon 2 into bracket 9 upon 30, that is 11 upon 2 into 3 3s are 9 and 10 3s are 30. So, 11 3s are 33 and 10 2s are 20. So, S11 is equal to 33 upon 20. Okay. We take one more question of the exercise. You have the textbooks, so you can understand if you keep your textbook open which question I am doing. Okay. You have to find the sum of this AP given minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dot 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 plus minus 230. So, this is your last term, it is your first term, and you have to find out the sum of this AP. Okay. So, first of all you should know that minus 230 is which term of this AP. Okay. So, I go for the formula AN. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is AN? Minus 230 is equal to A is what? Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into difference minus 8 minus minus 5. So, minus 8 plus 5, answer is minus 3. Now, minus 5 changes side, becomes plus 5. So, it is minus 225 is equal to minus 3n plus 3. So, 3n is equal to again plus 3 becomes minus 3. So, it is minus 228. So, n is equal to minus 228, it is minus 3n, sorry, minus 3n plus 3. So, minus n is equal to minus 228 upon 3. So, 7 3s are 21 and 6 3s are 18 is equal to minus n. So, n is equal to 76. Ultimately, this is 76th term of this AP, and we want to find out the sum of all these 76 terms. So, now Sn is equal to n by 2. Now, we have the first term, we have the last term. So, we can go for this formula, first term plus last term. So, it is S76 is 76 upon 2. First term is minus 5, last term is minus 230. So, divide by 2, it is 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16, and it is minus 235. So, simply you have to multiply 235 and 38 and get the answer. 235 into 38, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry forwards, 8 3s are 24 and 4, 28, 2 carry forward, 8 2s are 16 and 2, 18. Now 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7. So 0, 8 and 5, 13, 1 carry, 8 and 1, 9, 7 and 1, 8. So ultimately answer is minus 8,930. That is the answer for your AP. Okay. We take one more question. For an AP, difference is 2. AN, that is nth term, is equal to 4 and SN is equal to minus 14. This much detail is given. You have to find out what is A and you have to find out what is N, number of terms. Okay. So as we have formula for SN, we have difference, we can find out A very easily. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is minus 14 is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So it is minus 14 2s are minus 28 n into bracket 2a plus it is 2n minus 2. Okay. So this is how it is one of the formula, one of the equation we get. Now we have an also. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1, difference is 2. So here 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2. Minus 2 changes that becomes plus. So 6 is equal to a plus 2n. So value of a you are getting 6 minus 2n. So this value of a you can plot here for a in the equation minus 28n. 2 into bracket a is 6 minus 2n plus 2n minus 2. So minus 28 is equal to n into bracket 6 2s are 12 minus 2 2s are 4n plus 2n minus 2. So minus 28 is equal to n. 12 minus 2, 10 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2n. So now we open up the bracket. Minus 28 is equal to 10n minus 2n square. If I take 2 common, minus 14 is equal to 5n minus n square. I change the side, n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So now for minus 14 the difference would be minus 5. So you can split the middle term, 7 2s are 14. So it is s n minus 7 n plus 2 is equal to 0. So your value n is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. But number of terms cannot be negative. So n is equal to 7. Okay. Now when we know n is equal to 7, plot the value of n in any of the equation which is containing a, and then you can find out the value of a. That I leave it to you because it is simple how to find out a. Keeping the value of n, you have got the value of n 7, you have got d, you have got an also. So that way you can find out the answer a. Okay. So I think it is enough for this lesson, this lecture. So in the next lecture, we will see the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you very much.